Hey, stock bros, welcome back. I got a lesser known growth stock that you want to hold in your portfolio this year. It could double. Get ready for this. Xebec receives final approval to graduate to the TSX and will ring the open bell. So the energy stocks have received quite a boost. Xebec is a global provider of gas generation, purification, and filtration solutions for the industrial energy and renewable market. So it's well positioned in the energy transition space with proprietary technologies that transform raw gases into clean sources of renewable energy. Xebec's 1,500 plus customers range from small to multinational corporations. There's a couple of headlines that help me realize this is a stock that I want to continue to add to. Remember, this is only advice. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I recommend any stock, but this is what I'm sharing with you. So let's go through a couple of headlines that help me decide that this is a good long-term hold. So January 6th, obviously, this approval to graduate to the TSX is a big deal. A major headline that caught my eye was in November of 2020 when Xebec and Shenergy strengthened partnership to develop China's growing hydrogen market. This is a big deal because working with China on renewable energies is a great advantage for a company like this because China's new policy sets a framework for 1 million FCEV on the road by 2030. FCEV is a fuel cell electrical vehicle. That's the EV market. That's also been in the news often and is going to get great support from the big two superpowers, China and the US. So they have a goal for 2030 to have all these FCEVs. So they're looking for renewable energy, hydrogen, and other energies to fuel their, fuel their needs. So the strengthened partnership will allow Xebec to scale its hydrogen footprint and improve its balance sheet. Xebec Shanghai has successfully deployed 25 hydrogen purification systems in China to date. This was in November, by the way. Partnership is Shenergy Group is a state-owned enterprise, an energy firm solely funded and supervised by the State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission of the Shanghai Municipal Government. Shanghai, or the Shenergy, has over 100 fully owned and holding enterprises, including Shanghai Gas, etc. By the end of 2019, the company had total assets of 189 billion. So this is like one big partner that they're with. I mean, this partner has a lot of support behind it. And Shenergy has been among the top 500 Chinese enterprises. So Xebec has a great partner in China. And this diversifies their assets across North America, Europe, and Asia. I say Europe because on December 8th, Xebec actually acquired Hygear. This is a Dutch company in Europe that helped boost their presence there as well. More on that. Let's just go to this article that was actually published today by King on Motley Fool. Don't rely always on these articles, but they do bring up a lot of amazing facts here. So Xebec is growing fast. It's 12-month LTM, which is last 12 months. Revenue climbed almost 53%, while its gross margin was 24.8%. Its last 12 months revenue was only 64 million. It has tons of room to grow globally. The stock, as you can see here, it's just climbing and climbing here. It had like this one dip, obviously Corona, but it continues. And it's climbing at, this article is quoting at lightning speed. It's doubled in the last 3 months and almost quadrupled in the last year. If you want to get started, they suggest, I think this is a good suggestion, buy a starter position now, potentially add to it on pullbacks, say 15 to 20%, right? So depending on your situation, how you want to enter the stock, it's up to you. But 12 analysts estimate the stock will be growing its earnings per share by 50% year over year over the next 3 to 5 years. So this is a stock you can count on, as well as its partnerships to grow across 3 continents. So You should do your own due diligence. Check the description below for all the links that I'll be sharing. I think this thing has huge growth ahead for it, and I'm looking to future growth for 2021 and on. All right. That's it for me, Stock Bros. Take care. Have a good one. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks.